Meaning of emporium.
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 Emporium. Emporium refers to a large retail store that offers a wide variety of merchandise. It typically features a wide range of products across many different categories, and often has a high-end feel. Emporiums are often associated with luxury goods and high-quality shopping experiences. In general, emporiums are known for their large selection of goods, high-end atmosphere, and emphasis on customer service. They are often found in urban areas or shopping districts and are a popular destination for shoppers seeking a diverse range of products in a single location.